रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू Asma's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share really yummy recipe of Gulab Jamun, which is really very popular sweet in Pakistan and India. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. So here are the ingredients. You will need water 2 cups, sugar 2 cups, milk powder 2 cups, baking powder 2 teaspoon, cream 3 tablespoon, flour 2 tablespoon, green cardamom 6 to 7, saffron I will use a pinch, clarified butter 2 tablespoon, semolina 3 tablespoon, and eggs. Firstly, I am going to make sugar syrup. For this, I am taking water in a saucepan. Then add sugar, green cardamom, and a pinch of saffron, and mix it until sugar gets completely dissolved into water. And bring it to boil. Now it is boiling. Turn off flame and sugar syrup is ready. Now in a big bowl, take milk powder, add flour, semolina, and baking powder, and mix all the dry ingredients. Then add clarified butter, cream, and mix it really well. Now break an egg in a separate bowl. Beat it. Then add it slowly into batter and mix it well. And I think it's enough. I won't add more egg so that I haven't added full egg. And this smooth, soft mixture is ready. Now make small balls with this mixture like this and keeping it aside. And you can easily make 20 to 21 balls. Now all balls are ready. Then take clarified butter in a wok and heat it up. Clarified butter should be medium hot and balls should be fried on medium heat. I have put all the balls. Almost after 5 minutes, stir them and change their sides and let them completely brown from every side. And as they are turning in brown color, I am shifting them directly into sugar syrup. Some of them are done, so I am shifting them into sugar syrup. Rest of them need some time. They need some time. Now all fried balls gone into sugar syrup, turn on flame and cook them for 5 minutes in sugar syrup. And you can serve it with sugar syrup or without sugar syrup as well. Then take them out in a serving dish. They are so soft and creamy. Must try this recipe, you will definitely love it. I am pouring sugar syrup over them. And garnishing them with chopped almonds and pistachio. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen, hit the like button, share this video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.